Okay, let's resume. So I got kicked off for a moment. Here we are back at it, right in time for the key concept. So if you look at the key concept here, it says that the cardiovascular system has 4 main roles. The first is to deliver needed substances to cells. The second, carry wastes away from cells. Third, helps regulate body temperature. And fourth, that blood contains cells that fight disease. So we're going to go through these 4 main roles in a moment on the next slide. Okay, so if we look at this diagram here, let's take a look. First of all, you'll notice that in diagrams of the circulatory system, oftentimes the oxygen-rich blood is represented by a red color and the oxygen-poor blood is represented by a blue color. Now, I need you to note that blood is not actually blue in color. This is just how we signify it in diagrams. We'll talk more about what oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood mean in a bit. But we take a look, there's the 3 parts of the circulatory system. We've got the heart. We've got all this network of blood vessels throughout the whole body. And then we've got the blood that's flowing through the blood vessels and the heart. Okay? So here's the 4 main roles on the left again. We've got deliver materials. So blood transports chemical messengers, otherwise known as hormones. Transports oxygen from your lungs, and glucose, which we just learned about, from your digestive system to your body cells. So the circulatory system is really important for delivering those needed materials, nutrients from your food, and oxygen, all sorts of things traveling around the body. And in that transport system, well, second function, it's also really important to be able to remove wastes. The blood takes away wastes from body cells. For example, blood transports carbon dioxide from body cells to your lungs where it is exhaled. Okay, so your cells produce carbon dioxide as a waste product when they are creating their energy, and that carbon dioxide needs to escape the body somehow, otherwise we have a buildup of waste. So the circulatory system takes the carbon dioxide through the blood vessels to the lungs, and you breathe it out. Okay? Thirdly, the circulatory system is really important for regulating body temperature, and this is one that we don't often think about. So it says that it changes in the amount of blood flow in the skin, helps carry heat away, or prevents heat loss. So actually, your blood vessels help you maintain homeostasis with temperature. Okay, so if it's really cold out, your blood vessels will actually constrict and they'll move deeper inside of your body into the center, into the core, so that you're conserving heat. Okay, not as much heat is being lost from the body. It's kind of like tucked inside. Okay, like you're in a fuzzy blanket. But if it's really hot outside, your blood vessels will actually dilate and move closer to the surface of your skin so that heat can be released from the body. So blood vessels change with temperature. Okay? And then lastly, your cardiovascular system helps with fighting disease because blood contains cells that attack disease-causing microorganisms. Your blood contains white blood cells, okay, and that helps with immune responses to attack any types of viruses or bacteria or anything that's causing a disease. So also helps you to keep you healthy. Okay. So let's look at this question over here. It says, like roads that link all the parts of a town, your cardiovascular system links all the parts of your body. This great network. So we'll make an inference. This is what might happen if your cardiovascular system did not function properly. A lot of things if it wasn't working properly, but think about one thing. What could happen if it wasn't functioning properly? Once you've thought of that one thing, go ahead and answer it in the question box down below.